If you are a company owner, we don't need to convince you that being present online is a must. Online business cards are an effective and efficient promotional tool. An online business card is supposed to present and advertise your company. It's a website where you can find vital pieces of information and contact details. Having a business card can bring you numerous benefits. Thanks to it, users can effortlessly find your company in the search results. Proper application of keywords may improve your position in Google. A business card is an ideal place for outlining products or services offered by your brand, presenting its business profile and providing necessary contact details. Moreover, such an enterprise can be listed in a directory of brands operating in a specific industry or city. The process of developing an online business card doesn't differ much from creating a website. The task is handled by companies offering such services. Keep in mind that your company's business card and website aren't the only components of your brand image. Building relationships with recipients is the most important goal that can be achieved in a number of ways. Send out newsletters, be active on various social media platforms, and come up with appealing ad creatives. A business card is undoubtedly an important step towards improving your recognition.